In 2020, the world is suffered a great loss due to coronavirus pandemic, except agriculture sector. This sector is least affected as it shown a decrease of 0.9% from 4.1%. Lately, the concept of environmentally friendly building is being intensively implemented in Indonesia, especially green or eco buildings. This building helps to protect the surrounding environment and support biodiversity. As a student, we often go to library, which provides a lot of book collection arranged neatly. Library also provides book lending service with applicable regulations. By combining the concept of library and eco building, we present an eco-seed library idea. With this idea, people can lend, receive, and distribute seed donations, and a storage place for seeds that will be used later. This library was built with an environmentally friendly concept and uses renewable energy sources, namely hybrid energy sources. The benefit of this EcoSeed library is in general, it helps to increase public awareness to protect the environment. And in specific ways, it helps to firstly increase agricultural production and fulfilling the needs of seed supply for plant activities that requires good quality seeds at affordable price. Because many sold seeds are not standardized, expensive, and generally distributed. Secondly, it is easier for farmers to access good quality of seeds.
Eco-library design have been widely applied in various parts of the world. One of them is the Amsterdam Public Library. This library was built with an eco-culture project which has the goal of reducing energy use and reducing CO2 emission. And the second one is renewable energy source, especially hybrid energy source. The energy source in question is a hybrid energy source, namely the use of solar panels as the main source of power in the morning until noon, and storing electrical energy from solar panel for use in the afternoon. After the electricity reserve run out, it uses the PLN electricity source at night. It is time for hybrid lighting technology to be applied in Indonesia as an alternative to energy efficient building lighting and the use of renewable energy from sunlight. And then the third one is ideal condition for storing seeds. The room used to store seeds must pay attention to several conditions such as humidity, temperature, lighting, and so on. This is the back view and sideways view. The advantages of this library are increasing biodiversity, maintaining the availability of plant seeds to anticipate natural disasters, supporting the movement to growth their own food, pioneering the use of renewable energy, and increasing public awareness to protect the environment. The first one is registration. Library members are required to pay a monthly registration fee in order to access the seed library. Visitors can browse the library collection and can attend the seminars being held. The second one is seed library, a method of lending seeds in the library as desired and returning the seeds obtained after growing a plant. The third one is seed storage, provide facilities to store seeds for later use. Storage is carried out in a special room to extend the life of the seeds and is limited in a certain period. The fourth one is seed donation. Libraries receive donation of superior quality seeds as well as regular seeds to be distributed to the general public. The fifth one is seminar. Seminars related to planting methods, caring for plant, and the greening movement are held regularly every month to attract public interest. The sixth one is urban gardening, On the outside of the library building and on the roof of the library, there are various urban gardening methods such as hydroponic, verticulture, aeroponic, and aquaponics. The seventh one is eco-building. The library building uses environmentally friendly materials and prioritizes efficiency in the management of existing energy. The eighth one is hybrid energy source. The said library uses a hybrid energy source, namely using solar power for the main source and electricity as a backup. EcoSeed library is a seed library that aims to lend seeds, save seeds, and receive and donate seeds to the general public, with the concept of building that is environmentally friendly and use the concept of renewable energy.